Hi, today we will see how to use MakePoint function in Tableau. So, in order to use this function, we have to create one calculation field and set the title. And after that, if I click on this drop down, there is a field which is special. And if I click on this field, you can see here there is a function MakePoint. If I click on this MakePoint function, so as we can see here, this MakePoint function takes two input, at least two input, and maximum three input, and all the input should be in number. And also it says the MakePoint function return a special object constructed from latitude and the longitude, or we can say it is the spatial object when constructed from an x coordinate to a y coordinate. So basically, if we write the function here, as you can see here, it takes minimum two input and maximum three input, and all the input should be in a number. And we can see here, uh, so here is the example. So if I take this make point function and if I take the value as a 12 comma 34, so this is saying that the calculation is valid. But what is the meaning of this particular value that we have used inside this function? So this first value is the latitude and the second value is the longitude. So if I also take third input as a number, for example 1 2 3 4. So when we will use three input, so first input converted into the x coordinate and the second input is second input will become the y coordinate. So this is how this function works. So if I take the input as a longitude and the latitude, so if I click on this apply button and okay, and if I double click on this make point function, and we can see here our longitude and latitude has been generated, and this is our point. So we can see here the now the point this particular that we have used here, the particular point. If I go here, click on edit, so this is the particular indication of any particular place in our world map. So 12,34 uh, is located at here, which is on the Blue Nile, and it is in Africa or Egypt. And also, if I go to function again and click on edit, if I change my function here 40, if I click on apply, we can see here dot has been placed from here to here, and this is how this function works. And if I go here and increase the size, so basically it is not located on this size, but you can see here now the blue dot here. So this is how make point function works in Tableau to locate the particular point on a map according to the number that we have used inside the function. So this is how we can use make point function in Tableau, and thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.